I'm Meredith Coulson-Kanter, and I'm the owner here at the White Gull Inn in Fish Creek, Wisconsin. What's now the White Gull was first founded as Welker's Resort in 1896. This building was called the Henrietta, which was named after his wife. When my parents came along in 1972, they expanded on the food tradition that the Redmonds had restored here and brought in the breakfast, the lunch, and the dinner. We try to change our menu seasonally to feature different local seasonal ingredients and try new dishes, but really we try to stay true to the heritage of the inn and sort of the classic historic setting of our dining room and feature all American favorites. The first thing we're going to see is a black Angus beef filet that has a morel mushroom blue cheese butter on top, and it's served with fingerling potatoes. We're also going to see a bruschetta, which is one of our appetizers, and that's topped with Door County Creamery goat cheese and prosciutto and grilled asparagus. Again, that's one that we have this time of year featuring spring ingredients. This summer we have Whitefish Cakes on our menu. We use freshly caught Lake Michigan whitefish and make a lightly breaded and herbed whitefish cake, and that's served on our candlelight dinner menu. Also on our candlelight dinner menu is our duckling. It comes from Maple Leaf Farms, which is a Midwest duck farm, and it is served with a cherry port wine sauce and served on a bed of Wisconsin wild rice. And that's probably the most popular dinner item on our menu. We have a lot of people come back year after year who say, it's the best duck we've ever had, and we come back every year for the duck.